his new Jean Dawson song called Bad Fruit, and he collaborates with someone named Earl Sweatshirt. Um, B minor, A, D, and then G. Sometimes they go to the G. But other times they just go, they leave off the G. Right? There's a couple of ways to play that B minor if you don't play bar chords. You can always play this shape, the second fret. Or you could go like this and get the D string involved. And this is you could also take your A minor shape and move it up to the third fret. That's the whole riff of the whole song. They just play it different ways. Like at the beginning, they go. They start at the high. After they hit the root note, and then they start on the high E. So that's a high E, G, B. And then we go A. Just D, G, B, and then D, and sometimes they put that G in there, just G bass note or that's the whole song. And then sometimes they just do like a rake. So you're just raking down. You're kind of like holding your pick like this on the way down and then on the way up like that. It's a cool song. Thanks for watching. Bye.